How to add funny comedy sounds on your videos like this and this. It is very easy. Let's go to Capcut. Let me show you how to do this. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment on this post. Now let's go. To add funny comedy sounds on your videos on Capcut, you open your Capcut, you go to new project. Then you have to go to your gallery and choose the video that you are editing. Now for this sample, I am using this video. I add it. Now this is the video that I've exported to my how to add funny to my Capcut project. Now you have to press on that, you increase the volume of that video of yours. Now let's go and import our sound. You go to audio, you go to extract audio, you tap on it. Now you are going out to select the funny sounds. And for example, I have so many funny sounds here. Now let me just select this. Now you can increase or decrease the volume as you like. You have to make sure that the sound should not exceed your own video. How to add funny comedy sounds on your video. So if I don't want the sound to start from here, I can tap on it, I bring it here. Then this one also, I bring it here. Maybe this is how I want it to this is how I want it to be. How to add funny comedy sounds. How you have to do it. So after that, you just have to click export now. Be saved in your gallery. Thanks for watching.